So here's Leo. Leo's Persian pussycat, as you can tell. So we've done Leo before, and today he's come in. We've just been assessing his coats, just deciding what to do with him. He does love being outdoors. So you can see this gorgeous bib has had a lovely wavy perm. Yes, gorgeous lad. But obviously because he gets wet and then he brings in garden debris, he is completely pelted underneath the tummy, between his hind legs, quite high up his sides as well. So Mum's just basically said to me, do what I need to do with him. So I've had a good feel of him, and I'm going to start with the tummy. I'm going to take the tummy off and clear that whole section because the mats are coming up quite high here. So I'm going to take these away and then see what he looks like with the coat that's left. And I'm going to try and keep this top coat because it feels lovely, but he has got mats under here. So I'm going to see if I can try and comb those out and leave him with this lovely top looking coat. Now apparently he's been getting rather hissy at home when Mum's been attempting to groom him. So I don't know what's happened. Yay. Have you lost your patience? Hey Leo? So like usual, I always start with the head. I've already done his claws. Always try and do the claws before we start. And we're just going to make a little go on here. There's no mats behind these ears. Oh, there's a little tiny one. Nothing major. The main mess starts sort of further down where he's getting his bib wet. Good boy. Are you not a fan of being brushed, mister? Hey, you've been telling Mummy off, have you? You've been telling her off? Oh, you're telling me off now. Dear. And what do you think that pawpaw's doing there for me? Hey, look at that. We've got the tail started, the paws started. Mister. You've been a cheeky bum. Are you being a cheeky boy? Gently under the chin. Oh, Leo, you can't not like that bit under the chin. Everyone loves chin brushes. We do. He says, I don't. Come on, what's this here? There's a big one here, isn't there? Oh, I can hear you. I can hear you there. Let me get that one away with the clippers. So obviously he's not as tolerant with the comb. There you go, that one's gone. That one's gone. Not better? We prefer the clippers, do we, to the combing? Good boy. Good lad. Oh, he's right. Now, because I've done him before, I'm going to turn him straight over and have a go at this tummy. You've got some up here as well, haven't you? The little ones. Right, baby. You ready to do a roly-poly for me? Come on, bring you that way for me. Good lad. Let's have you over. Good boy. And over here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good lad. Okay, baby cake. Look at this. We've got grass here. Shh, 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 shh. And leaves. Good boy. happened? What's happened to you? Got to get these knotties away, haven't we? Hey? Oh, Babs. You a little rolly at me? Hey. What's happened? What's going on? Hey. Oh, you're telling me all about it? You're not keen? Well, I'm going to have to help you because these are very, very tight on your tummy. Can we go again? Can we come back here? You hang off there. Are you ready? Can we go again? And over we go. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, look at this nutty tummy. Leo. Leo. Okay. Shushy shush shush. Shushy shush, it's alright. Okay. Oh, look at those nutties come away from there. Hey, that's you. Yeah. Okay, let's have a little go this way then. So this little monkey has been quite vocal with his grooming session today. Haven't you, Mr. Leo? I'm doing that a lot. So we've got tiny, tiny little knots on this, behind this ear. I'm just trying to tease them away with my fingers. Oh, stop it. Oh, Leo. Let me see. Is there something up with this ear? It's a mucky puppy ear. You're just telling me off. Right, there's a mat there. Now that is too big to get out with the comb. Let's just see what we can do here with him. So again, protect the ear. Good boy. So it's just come from where he's washing. Okay. Let me see now. Is it all clear now? Little one there. Excuse me. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. I don't want that behaviour. No, I don't. There's a knot under here, isn't there? There's something under here I can feel. Mister. What is it? So I've done a little bit, I've had to trim him short under here because he was massive. So the tummy, I lift you up there actually, you can see. Tummy's had to come off because this was completely pelted under here. And I've had to go quite high with the bib. But because he's got this long hair, look at him, even with my hand he's pushing me away. You just used to get your own way, mister. You are, you're a right one. So there is a lump here, there is something stuck in there I can feel. I want to get that out. Can't give you back to mummy with that in. No, I can't. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good lad. You're okay. got it, haven't we? So I'm just going to do a once over check of him for any more hidden little mats in this long coat of his. There's something still there I'm not quite happy with. So I'm holding the fur and I'm teasing that with the comb. Got it. Got it, Leo. You're a right moaning Minnie today. You are.
Quite a bit out, hasn't
There is quite a bit, considering he's only had a belly clip. There's quite a lot came out of his coat with the comb. So it's down to technique of getting through the coat with him. Now I know Mum has said he's not tolerant with her at all, and she's ended up with her arms, you can tell here, look, she's ended up with her arms scratched to bits. So he's just got that behaviour. So what we're going to have to do is literally every day he's going to have say a quarter section done on him. And yes, Mummy's going to be the boss, isn't she? She is. Yes. And it's a case of make sure that quarter of a section is completely free of knots. Oh, Ollie! Here's Ollie waiting to get done. Hello, Ol.
Ollie ball.
This is housemate Ollie. And Ollie's a good boy, aren't you, Ol? Listen, Tiger. Listen, Mr. Tiger. Come here. So I'm just literally, he's had the full groom all over. I'm just going through one final check now to check that obviously there's nothing else catching on that comb. Oh, that's not you, it's Ollie. I thought it was you. I thought it was you having a moany. Oh, Leo. Are you eating fluff or something? All right, Ollie. Are you waiting? Are you waiting for your turn? Right, well, let's just tidy that up. And I'm going to leave you there because we can go and wash his eyes off camera now. Just put cotton wool ball over his eyes just to clean his face up. Oh, hey! Listen, that's naughty. That's naughty behaviour.
Getting Ollie going now.
That's naughty behaviour. It is. Are you listening to me? You need to be a good boy for your mummy, and then you wouldn't get in this state, would you? Hey, Mum says it makes it look easy on camera, but try doing it at home. It's a different story. Hey, Leo.
Leo.
Right.
There you go.
Say goodbye, Leo, to your fans. Do you want to wave to them with that left hook that you're very good at? No, he says. No, I'll sit here and look like butter wouldn't melt now, thank you.